Hello, riders and travelers. Welcome to the page Bird of Passage. This is the third day of our journey, and today we are up and out for sightseeing at Daringbadi. It is 6 am in the morning, and our first destination is Hillview Point. Now we are heading towards second tourist destination, the Pine Forests, which is also a picnic spot, and people from nearby areas visit this place especially during winter. This place is a breath of fresh air and one day visit with long walks and lot of selfies, and nature photography is ideal. After having a quick breakfast, we started for our next stop, which is Miduvanda waterfall, 16 km from our resort. Let me tell you some interesting facts about Daringbadi. Daringbadi is a hill station in Kandhamal district of Odisha, known as Kashmir of Odisha. It is situated in a height of 915 meter. Is a popular tourist destination. It is also famous for its production of organic turmeric, which already got the GI tag, and also famous for ginger harvesting. Daringbadi is believed to have been named after Daring Sahib, a British in charge of this region during the colonial era, and Bari means village. We have been traveling mostly on hills, and the road is good most of the times, with occasional potholes and kacha village roads. As a pillion rider, I have not felt uncomfortable in either of the situations. There is minimum jerks, and the backrest is doing wonders. After visiting Miduvanda waterfall, we are headed towards our fourth and the final destination, which is Manasoro waterfall, 48 km from Miduvanda waterfall. Because of time crunch, we are visiting the most highlighted places, which has been confirmed by the hotel staff and various people we have conversation with. Odisha is such a beautiful place with such natural beauty was not known to us. When we were children, when someone told about Odisha, we only thought about Puri beach, Jagannath Mandir and Konark. such hills and waterfalls was way beyond imagination. At least 4 nights and 3 days stay is required to visit all the tourist spots in Daringbadi. You may also consider visiting Lovers Point, Butterfly Park, Emu Bird Sanctuary and Jirang Monastery from Daringbadi. The way down to the waterfall got little hectic with the riding gears we were wearing. But despite that, also the path is rocky and steep. Proper shoes are recommended. We are at the end of our Daringbadi sightseeing journey as it is already 3:30 and it will soon get dark. Thank you for watching the video. Do like and subscribe as we need all the encouragement we can. Wait till the end of the video to see what surprise we have at the resort. Today total distance travelled was around 150 kilometers and we have got a real time mileage of 36 km per liter with speed ranging between 30 to 55 km per hour. A bonfire and chicken barbecue after a sweet ride in nature was icing on the cake and a great end to a great day.